Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. I did want to do another Coinbase portfolio update just because I haven't made one in a while actually. And I think I kind of needed to. Whoa, my treadmill just kind of went out of whack. Hold on, let me fix this thing. Ugh. There we go. So, I did want to update you guys on what I've actually purchased recently. You guys already know that I bought a little bit more Ethereum. So as of currently, I do have one full Ethereum. I should probably buy more. I do want to grow my account or my portfolio. I want to have minimum at least 10 Ethereum, right? That's what I want to have minimum eventually. But I did end up buying another grand of Ethereum yesterday, and I threw in some money into Ethereum Classic. I guess I bought another grand of Ethereum Classic because I did think that, generally, if Ethereum runs, right, and we do see Ethereum back at close to previous highs, I do think Ethereum Classic is going to run the same way. And I did buy a little bit more Dogecoin just in case. So I think I bought actually, did I buy? I don't even remember. For the most part, this is what I hold in my portfolio. Currently my account's at 29k. I think peak rally, it was like at 32k or something. But since then I've been buying like a lot of crypto. But you guys already know, biggest position is currently Cardano, Polygon, Stellar Lumens, and Chainlink. And then I kind of have to set it up to where, my bigger positions are up top and everything I hold is on the bottom. So my biggest positions are actually altcoins. Cardano, I have it because obviously it's a direct competitor to Ethereum, and you guys know my competitor fallacy is where I don't know what's gonna win as far as actual tech, or which crypto project is gonna be better than the other. So I always like to buy the competition. It's basically like saying, 20 years ago, I actually gave this example to a comment recently, basically saying like, hey, 20 years ago, if somebody put in front of you Pepsi and Coke, why would you buy one? You don't know which one's actually going to win, so you purchase both. That way you have the full sector behind you, and eventually one of them is going to become number one, the other one's going to fall to number two, but in case one dies, you still have the other, right? So that's why biggest position is Cardano, and I'm also going to be loading up on Ethereum if we do see dips, right? And then the only one that I'm going to be loading up on really is Ethereum. I don't think I'm going to be purchasing anything else. Polygon, second biggest position. I like the project. Stellar Lumens, I really only have Stellar Lumens just because I don't hate XRP, but in case XRP does run, I have XLM. They're pretty concurrent on each other, so if XRP runs, Stellar Lumens is probably going to run. Chainlink, again, because I think it's the most retail focused project. I think if any retail store actually starts accepting crypto, I do think Chainlink is probably, the best project for that. Basic attention token, I don't even know how much basic I have, like under $1,000. But yeah, this is pretty much my updated portfolio. Everything here. Oh, you know what? I actually do have Polkadot now. I think I bought like a grand worth of Polkadot. And I think Polkadot is definitely a good project too. But everything here I hold, right? This isn't just my watch list. It's all the positions that I hold. And I think recently I really only bought Ethereum and Ethereum Classic, and I bought a little bit of Dogecoin. But apart from that, still running the same portfolio, not really looking at buying anything else. Even if Bitcoin does dip, I think my only real positions that I'm going to be loading up on are possibly Dogecoin and Ethereum. And I think that's it. I think that's going to be my strategy for now, is just I'm going to keep weighing it out because I do think that we're still technically going down. I still think Bitcoin can still touch 26k, or at least go down to that trading range. And if that happens, that's when I'll probably put in another position into Ethereum and then into Doggy. And then if we drop further, I'll just buy more. I already have my certain support zones where I'm going to be purchasing every crypto. And if those support prices hit, that's when I'm gonna be throwing in money. For example, if I have $1,000, I'll put in $250 if, you know, if Bitcoin goes down to 26K. And if Bitcoin drops down to like 25K, I'll drop another 250. And if Bitcoin drops to 20K, I'll do another 250. So it's already split up, right? Have a strategy ready in case, you know, your cryptos or the ones that you're looking at hit specific prices. That way you don't even think about it and you already have your strategy based off of an unbiased thought instead of FOMOing in, kind of, right? But that's basically what I'm doing. This is my current crypto portfolio. Biggest positions up at the top. And I think if Bitcoin does fall and everything does trail it, the only thing that I'm going to be loading up on is probably Ethereum and Dogecoin. And that's it. I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend.